Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently got all 4 of my wisdom teeth out, so I've been spending a lot of time in my room recovering. And normally I'm not usually in my room this much, but since I've been in my room these past couple of days, the clutter was just starting to annoy me. So I took a painkiller and let that settle in and decided to clean my room for a little bit. I told myself I wasn't gonna push myself too hard, and if my teeth started to hurt, I would just stop. I also had a lot of time to think, and I just had the craziest urge to switch my room around. So I'm going to do that at the end of this video. So if you want to see that, stay tuned to the end. Also, before I forget, if you guys enjoy motivational cleaning room videos, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
I'm also not going to be super thorough with the cleaning today. I'm just putting everything back in its place. So I guess this is more of a lazy girl's guide to clean your room super fast.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving.
I had so many random items on my dresser, it was getting a little overwhelming, but I just grouped everything based on where they need to go, and that helped the process go so much faster.
Cause you haven't got the news, but you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't.
Okay, look at the progress. My room is looking so much better already. I was really proud of myself, okay? It's looking good, but you know, now we have to move on to the other side, which is even worse than the side that we just finished.
Been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah,
I keep a lot of my tech stuff, like my chargers, my batteries, little things that I need for YouTube in a little bin, but that bin broke, so I bought another one from Target. Honestly, 10 out of 10. That bin is amazing, and it's only like $4 to $6. I will link it in a description box for you. You need it in your life.
all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make.
Literally all the clothes that you guys are seeing on this side are all clean, so I'm going to have a lot of folding to do. I really don't know why I do this to myself every single time, but whatever. Honestly, it's fine. I actually timed myself, and when I finally did fold the clothes, which was later on in the video, it only took me about 15 to 20 minutes, which isn't that bad.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take my sip on it.
Now I'm just moving like a bunch of my shoes into my closet. I know my closet is messy. I am gonna get to it. I really am. I just don't know where to start, so I'm avoiding it. But I give myself 2 weeks to do something about it because it is getting out of hand.
Throw it back, then rotation. Flicker wrist and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam,
gosh, my camera's going crazy. I didn't realize it was doing this, but like I said before, the folding didn't take me too long. I did not enjoy it, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. And around this time, I feel like my painkillers were starting to wear off, so I was getting a little bit more annoyed. But I couldn't stop and take another one because I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to take it on an empty stomach. So I kind of just powered through. And I didn't want to stop to eat because if you've gotten your wisdom teeth taken out, you know that eating is a production. And I didn't have time to sit down for like an hour eating a simple meal because I'm trying not to get it inside like the extraction site, and like it can't be too hot and I can't chew. So I just didn't want to deal with any of that. I wanted to just finish and then focus on eating later.
You made me feel like we could do. Oh, you made me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
We're finally at my makeup table, so I'm just getting rid of a bunch of products that don't need to be there, putting them in my bathroom.
Door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. 'Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Feels like I'm stumbling, bring me something lighter. Feels like I'm stumbling, bring me someone lighter.
So my room is done. Like, here's a nice little overview of my room. It is not 100% perfect by any means, but it was definitely much cleaner. I didn't even hesitate. I got right into rearranging my room because I was kind of motivated at that point because my room is clean. So I didn't want to take a break.
Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try.
This was definitely a two-person job that I tried to make a one-person job, and I did not get very far. I actually had to ask my sister for help after a while because I hurt my lower back, and I shouldn't have been doing that anyway because I have scoliosis, so I'm just hurting my back even more.
Leaving tomorrow at dawn. Ooh, and then you asked me if I would come along. I just can't seem to believe in the thought.
I honestly just wanted to leave my room just like this because I didn't feel like putting anything else away, but I just cleaned my room and I didn't want to end the video with it messy again. So I decided to put everything back under my bed. And I don't just like shove everything under there either. Everything is organized very systematically in a way that it makes sense. So I'm able to pull out my bins when I need them. And yeah, it's not random. Though the feng shui of my room was better before, the way it is now is a lot better for me. I like the space, and plus it's better for shooting content too. Like, I want to shoot more reels and stuff, but I just had no room in my old setup to do that. So that's part of the reason why I also did it, but the main reason is because I just liked how spacious my room felt in this position. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was super motivational, and if it was and you want to see more videos from me, definitely subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.